Morning. In first part we saw some points that stars, planets, the solar system. Now the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Example sun. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Example earth. Now about solar system. The sun and the planet that revolves around the sun are together called solar system. Now with sun and planets, other heavenly bodies are also present in the solar system. And about that heavenly bodies we are going to see in this part. Now first one, satellites. First one, satellite. Now what is meant by satellites? Now what is meant by satellite? Now some heavenly bodies around planets are called satellites. Moon is a satellite of the earth. Moon is a satellite, earth is a planet. Moon is revolve around the earth. And that's why we say that moon is the satellite of the earth. The moon is closer to the earth, that's why it appears so big. But it is so smaller than sun. But it is so smaller than sun. That means moon is as smaller as the sun. Then also we can see why, because moon is close to the earth. Next point, dark planets. Next one is the dark planets. Now what is meant by dark planets? Some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around sun are called dark planets. Some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun are called dark planet. Now example of the dark planet, Pluto. Example of the dark planet is the Pluto. Now see in this figure. Here at last, here, see here. Here is the Pluto. Pluto is called dark planet. And Pluto also revolves around the sun. Pluto also revolves around the sun. Pluto has its own orbit. Pluto has its own orbit. Next one, asteroids. Next one is the asteroids. Now what is meant by asteroid? What is meant by asteroid? Between planet Mars and Jupiter. Between planet Mars and Jupiter. See here in the figure. Here is the Mars and here is the Jupiter. Between these both planets, Jupiter and Mars, there is a white band of numerous smaller bodies. See here, there is a white band of the numerous heavenly bodies, and that are called asteroids. That are called asteroids. See here. Here is it. White dot. See here, between the Jupiter and Mars there is a heavenly body. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. See, like that. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. All heavenly bodies are revolve around the sun. Now, depend on that point, some questions will be asked. Define the term satellites, dark planets, asteroids. That some definitions are there. Each one is for one mark will ask in exam. Next one, gravity. Next one is the gravity. Now, what is meant by gravity? All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction between one another. This force is called as the force of gravity. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction between one another. This force is called force of gravity. Now for this part, this much only, and depend on that some questions are there. Now which are that questions? Which planet is nearest to the earth? Which planet is nearest to the earth? See in picture, observe that picture and see. Mercury is closer to the nearest to the sun. Then which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Venus. Where is the Venus? Here, Venus. Venus is between the earth and Mercury. Next question. Which planet is the solar system is? Which planet in the solar system is furthest from the sun? Neptune. What? Neptune. Now see in your textbook and note down these questions in your notebook. Before that you have to read this lesson, find out hard words and each word note 5 times in your notebook.